Hey everyone! GemBoards offers Scrum to help you manage your projects smarter with fully managed sprint planning. Let's explore how it can help you. To create a Scrum board, click the Project Plus icon, select Scrum, give your Scrum board a title, and choose an icon color. Set the board description, select the type as Scrum, and click Create. The board will be created instantly, and now you'll see backlog, active sprint, and reports following this Agile development methodology. Now try adding a task title and click Save. You can add as many tasks as needed in the backlog. Next, it's time to create a sprint. Click the Sprint button. Give the sprint a title and set the duration. Options include weekly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or custom. For now, let's set a 2-week sprint. Set the start date. The end date will automatically adjust if you select a weekly duration. With a custom duration, you can set any end date. Add a goal note for this sprint to keep the team aware of the main objectives. Finally, click Create. You can create additional sprints in the same way. If needed, a sprint can also be deleted by clicking Delete. Before starting a sprint, add all the planned tasks inside the sprint. You can add as many as needed. You can also assign tasks directly to team members, set due dates, set priority, and, most importantly, set the story points for each task in the list view before starting the sprint. Now let's start a sprint. Click Start, and all sprint tasks will automatically be listed in To Do so your team can begin working. You can add more stages if needed and reorder them to match your project workflow. Move tasks to the necessary stage. Click to open a task in Detailed View, assign members, set due dates, priority, labels, and also story points from this view. Simply drag and drop tasks, and GemBoards will automatically handle status updates and analytics based on team activity. When you complete a sprint, a pop-up will warn you about any unfinished tasks before the sprint closes completely. You can choose to move undone tasks to the next sprint, and all unfinished tasks will be automatically carried over. Now the active sprint view is clean, and your velocity report is generated. To get better team output, GemBoards Scrum will help you work smarter and more efficiently. So why wait? Go ahead and start using GemBoards today as needed. Thank you.